If I say Bemci out of the crossing answer, right? Okay, I will let you. Wait, let's just do something wrong. Do like this. So wait. Okay, because okay, okay. See, fun, and was telling about this Pepsi, fun, more fun, most application tells you that application tells this is all works. How do you think about the country which country is not getting accept like the black passion like having agriculture now maybe I start Asian now in third world country get uh, food country but how about black people they have an artificial intelligence something about position is the country you so you cannot explain okay guys food is very important for humans mixed health if you will get more like for me it's research you have to eat it and then will take it maybe because it helps you to phrase your summary okay after that several countries who about AI behind this country is to get about the artificial intelligence maybe for the futures one of the it's a lot about the some knowledge of for digital is very important several people don't know about digital management it's difficult and now about so do you think that the situation is supposed to have citizens how much for the countries to prepare something significant effect could have been if there is a country in the world that doesn't have AI as significant so if maybe the picture is about the people some people less about the digital actually and after that it's knowledge it's several person is different like it's now about the technology is not follow the technology but you have to follow the new era this era is digitalization like marketing if you sell it you know how important to digitalization like this promotion I help you to get about several nouns you have to promotion but you know but you have to trust your ability it's not fully use AI yeah sometimes AI is less benefit like if you trust all of us in task copy paste sometimes it's not corrected about this thing. I'm seeing how you think about the stuff which okay, so I imagine that the survey is how do you think about the country who they can they have they have AI massive as application. So I nice. Okay, thank you for the question. Especially I think some country doesn't have accessibility for this high. They can say that I think from being like more to modern because nowadays everything we can do with digital and AI the one of the tools is before to help us finish our task. But we need to know how to use AI tool because AI is especially the data and it has by potential. It means that you put keyword after that AI will work for you like it's from somebody. So what do you think about it in previous conversations we had actually 2000 actually some AI application massive one day video I mean like people who that's complicated to AI how do you think about it like I heard about the say like AI can mostly your job but people who use AI they can still use your job means AI is one of the important things that we have to do because you can search on the internet every industrial AI. So when you work, you have no accessibility to AI, you will just get this. Job, it's not right. Yeah, I was you had okay. Think about the video, yeah, I never was so think about it, use and use AI. So how do you think about it? Actually, AI support humans. Humans support actually humans because AI is a get more benefits. Okay, here's a keynote. I like campus of AI because one beauty it looks thing. I who knows about that? And AI has so many a lot of uses like screens, pictures, and images because AI it's a lot of beneficial for people and I like the surface time uh, if your life and if you wrong the complete sentence AI makes help you to finish your sentence. Could you mention to that's why school as can be like exploration what are it can you say what's functioning in your daily activity you're working what the kind of AI you use for the brand just mentioned and what other the function no, I mentioned what's the that you use in your daily routine and what is the function other it was actually usually if I do my research I type one for words that is completes my research I use certain if I enter this AI, because AI is so many applications like Gemini, AI Gemini, Flexity, and the common AI is ChatGPT also. Yeah, but ChatGPT, if you premium is a lot of words. Yeah, you need to buy premium others like designs, what kind of Canva. Designs, yeah, designs help for the person. If you browser, please use AI, but you need to use something typing have to support if you want like I this is shop. I have to make a brochure because I have a businessman. I'm interested for my customer to buy it. Yeah, to buy it. After that, here, so it's the fuse Gemini, flexibility, flexibility, professionalize, independent procedures, open AI, making AI, and yeah, okay, okay. Whatever you want, what kind of you have like something different, and you should just mention participation order. Okay, there's a lot of tools I use with my computers. With I use yes, but yes, I use 3 AI. I think it's give me a better answer. So what is I mean, there's a lot of I just use GPT and Census AI. Census AI, I use it for reference in my research. We can filter there to get find so reference can or so it's different. This is the family, principle I want to change my phone. I interrupt Gemini. I find Gemini is more better picture and so I use Gemini for seminar. I want to look into some ideas looking for students for something is complicated things. GPT is for how to address complicated tasks. So how do you think of the massive search? Because I learned off, how to say it in this, AI is rapidly developing something very sickness. So how is the explanation? Because, we can speak, face, speak, if we, the face, we can switch, change it. The first is maybe now, people can use the keyboard, so it's so we, I think, yes, AI is really, there's only about there's positive and but there's also negative things. Yeah, like some for movies, how to differentiate between like photos and fake news because it's hard to find the difference. So we must we can judge easily. For example, you place like without and you can like it's like so like cartoon, yeah, and how to use it properly and don't just believe use see on social media information. It's because AI is so sure to so you need to be sure to so just wise to use it. Okay, thank you. I want to add up notice, I am very like scenes, now we can how to say we can match between Hanuman and Rastilata. And we can make like say make like a face maybe like a from like and pumpkins. As part we can make divide between Satan and Constantine and evaluation. So, how do you think about it, about natural acceleration? AI, there is a connected to all of us if you use it. All of AI, I do say like this, there's a strength and weakness. You have to know about using and hijab in Hasa. Knowledge the person. Wise, yes, wise. Yeah, but uh, the potential weakness. Why? Because so many different people crime, cybercrime like this. Yeah, it's like the criminal is danger for humanity. Like you think like the AI is using for the usage, yeah, abusing. But but you have to pay attention. If you get it, please check back and check first. Although we went for this whenever yes, markaz they will say 99.6. Let's talk about the 916 podcast. You know, like, we are still here with Bemci. Let's see. We're glad and confident and more valuable. Okay. We back to the top because we still have time. Minutes. Oh my god. It's passing our time talking about artificial intelligence. He's talking about artificial intelligence. Do you think, do you have like experience, see, or maybe you feel, or you do, or your friend do, like a bit creation about it? Do you have experience about it where your friend or maybe you guys use AI and they are very great? Like you make like cartoon, like short movie or short animation. What else? Like experience your you yourself or maybe friend maybe in your place doing skill observation. I translate initiative to use has when speak out of some experience. How many has yeah, no man, you know, dia terkait dengan peran yang secara langsung executive ibu dan peran sebagai bisnis kerja going babies so for the from my experience I never see for yeah based on my experience and my training I mostly the so AI is really huge. It's really so yeah, I think because we want to get the best result AI in best way. So so yes, I just use free. Sorry, I'm so cute. It's a real, okay. So that's why all of the IDC guys yeah. Yeah, so if you want to get a better result, you pay it. So it's to my experience, I didn't see so I hope you will see good creation from AI. Right? Like maybe you can like appear things within it. Started maybe like students, yeah, the Google 3.0. I don't know. But do you have like experience or maybe situation that you will creation or return yeah, from the AI itself? Do you get the point, right? When sure. Actually, I don't have an experience about like make these days with AI. My friends, I saw my friends when make a banner or a brochure that use AI. Use AI after that he sell about the brochure or banner and share with the place and slide for the TikTok or Facebook. Say again, TikTok. TikTok or you can the Facebook. After that, I using that. I asked why so get a lot of money business it's the AI. Oh my god, what is the secret between if you sell it about your promotion your business? Yeah, oh I get it. So that uh, conclusion is AI makes meat for humans, but you have to pay attention for using about AI. But several there is positive and negative. The positive is AI help you if you so many do activity and you there is a your secret something like too hard. AI is quite friendly. Yeah, you have to use it, but the negative impact there is a crime of the actually for the first you if you don't ever saw people pay attention so many kanyaman thank you it's expensive treatments you know you what is your conclusion about for this option okay I about to so we must follow the advanced technology because if you don't you will and this wisely how to use the AI this tools to help us solve. Get one a word or one sentence from for the people who listen and watch us in what is your message? One sentence. One sentence faster. One sentence. Interested in this program and I come on, let's join Bemci. Okay, thank you. One sentence. Okay, learning